Do you get many organisations just wanting to simplify stuff? Because like I can imagine the more complicated you make a system, the harder it is to manage.
Well, absolutely no question that the more disparate systems you have, the more complex your operating environment is, and the harder it is to genuinely control and report on stuff. So the more that you can condense down from 27 systems to 12, your life is naturally going to be simpler. It's going to be cheaper for you. It's going to be easier for you to maintain. You're going to get information faster. It's more likely to be accurate. And it's going to take less people to pull it all together, reconcile it, and present it for you. So we talk a lot about spreadsheet land and people who have created their own ways of capturing the stuff that's important to their role, and they can't live without that spreadsheet or that database or that book. Believe it or not, there are still, businesses out there that have, a black book that is the core of the business. And if that black book was to disappear in a fire, they're in trouble.
Wow.
And these are big, sophisticated businesses in some cases. Now, sometimes it's not a black book, it's a spreadsheet. But if the person who put that spreadsheet together and maintains it every day walks out the building, well, who's going to figure out how to maintain that spreadsheet? Or that system that was built by a guy who used to work here 5 years ago. Maybe it's been customised to heck and back. And it just can't be customised any further. It's not supported by the vendor anymore. But as a function of all of that, there's all these other systems and ways of doing things that have sprung up through the business with no control, no systemisation, no standardisation. So people are living their lives in spreadsheets.